Some states are asking the federal government to withhold portions of their COVID-19 vaccine allocation as demand for the shots drop. The demand shortage in states from Washington to South Carolina is causing the U.S. stockpile to grow by the hundreds of thousands of doses, giving a glimpse at the vaccine hesitancy hurdle that the country is facing. The Biden administration announced that if states don't accept their full allocation, it will reallocate surplus to meet demand in other states, and the U.S. will start sharing its supply with other countries. Not all states are reducing delivery. New York, Colorado, and Maryland are all accepting their full allocations, though demand is dropping slightly. 57% of Americans have had at least one dose, but health experts have stated that about 70% of the population will need to be vaccinated to reach herd immunity, and we are still not there. Meanwhile, as more and more Americans get vaccinated, Dr. Anthony Fauci now says he's open to relaxing indoor masking.
As more people get vaccinated, the CDC will be almost in real time, George, updating their recommendations and their guidelines. But yes, we do need to start being more liberal as we get more people vaccinated.
And Mika, that's what you heard last week from Scott Gottlieb saying it was time. He was talking to Shep Smith on CNBC and said it is time to start talking about lifting mask requirements indoors. That is so important to get this country moving back. Again, you can do that. You can only, if you feel the need to only let a certain number of people into the store, or if you're a shop owner and you only want to have people in that have been vaccinated, that certainly is up to you as a private business owner, or it certainly should be, if this is still a free country, as some of my former Republican brothers and sisters might say. But it's time. It is time to move past most of these mask mandates, as, again, over 57% of Americans have at least been vaccinated once.
Dr. Fauci said that masks during cold and flu season might become the norm going forward. I could see people using masks on planes. I'm not against it, but, if someone's not comfortable with that, that's fine, too. But you really saw not just the coronavirus being curbed by social distancing and mask guidelines, but the number of people who got the flu. And, you can't pass as much around from person to person. It's something to think about.
I mean, it certainly is. You think about going over this past year and a half, and again, because of wearing the mask.
I always get the flu. Didn't get it.
And you didn't get the flu. So many of my friends didn't get the flu. I didn't get the flu this past season because, again, you're wearing a mask. You're being more careful. That certainly makes sense in the future if that's what you want to do. Now, if you like the flu, if you like COVID, okay, if you like smoking like 5 or 6 cartons of cigarettes a day, up to you. It's a free country. People should be able to make that choice on their own. But it does. It really was revealing this past year, wasn't it, Mika? That if you wear masks when you're on planes, if you wash your hands a little bit more, you can actually even avoid the flu and colds.
I'm pretty sure this conversation will continue as we navigate through this, because we're definitely at 57%, not where we need to be for the country to reach herd immunity, but getting there.
Hey, thanks so much for watching our YouTube channel. You can follow up on today's top stories and breaking news, or catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.